Hey, what's up, YouTube? Here in my little machine shop. You see the mill there. It's kind of just a cluttered zone now. But just a dirt floor here. And putting the hydraulic cylinder together for the grapple on the log loader. Went ahead and had the head gland here resealed. Got new O-rings for that. Nothing was wrong or in bad shape on the cylinder besides the head gland seals were out of it, and it was leaking a little over a gallon an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these rings on and get this buttoned up. I got this nut on. I did it off camera. It's about 600 foot-pounds, so it was pretty tight. And the bore is in great shape. I don't know how well the camera picks up, but still got all the hone marks in there. And it's pretty nice. So got lucky on that. Didn't have to spend hardly any money. I was in it about $50 in seals. So that's a good deal. I'll go ahead and see if I can get this thing together. I'd like to say that was a fight, but really everything was pretty uneventful. Just cylinder or piston and rod slid right into the cylinder. And the holes are almost perfectly lined up. Went together super easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and line it up with a little screwdriver and put the bolts in, torque them down, be done. Well, there it is, all assembled. I put a paint mark on here and went kitty corner to each bolt, you know, crossed like you're doing a lug nut, and torqued it down. Did 30 foot-pounds all the way around, and then I went ahead and bumped it up 5 and went 5 foot-pounds more, so 35 total. But there's the cylinder all done, and yeah, just a quick one, but thanks for watching.